How to use Do Not Disturb on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Do Not Disturb feature in your Android device. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now first of all, to go to the Do Not Disturb settings, you have to open up the settings in your Android device. Once you land on your settings page, now on the search bar, simply type in Do Not Disturb. Then tap on Do Not Disturb. That will land you to the Do Not Disturb settings page in your Android device. Now, there are a bunch of options and menus available, as you can see on your interface. There is the top section that says Who can interrupt Do Not Disturb. There, you can select people, apps or alarms and other interrupts. Now, to select the people, simply type on people. Then, you can go to messages. Here, you can either select the shared contacts, some of the contacts that you would like to allow anyone or none. Again, go back and again, same with calls as well. Select as you like the contact or anyone or none. And at the bottom it says allow repeat callers. If the same person calls for a second time within a 15-minute period, then that person is allowed to disturb you or to interrupt the Do Not Disturb mode. Now again go back. And here you can add alarms and other interrupts. If you tap on there, it will take you to this interface where you can select alarms or any media sounds, dot sounds, reminders or calendars even. If you like to allow that as well, you can simply turn on this toggle. Again go back. Scroll down a bit and under generals, there are schedules. Tap on that and you can allow any type of schedules to interrupt. And there are a few more settings for duration, for quick settings and display options for hidden notifications as well. And you can customize them as you wish, and this is how you use Do Not Disturb mode in your Android device. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.